Hi everybody, today we're unboxing the Arborjet AccuFlo ISD, the brand new piece of equipment that Arborjet has put out this season. We've had the pleasure of working with it a little bit and it is absolutely amazing. When you receive this piece of equipment, you do receive it in 2 boxes. There are some things that we do need to put together. However, it's very easy, very quick, and the piece of equipment itself will go through and you'll see the ease of use that you will have with it. When you receive it, you will get your backpack. The backpack is a battery operated. It's an 18-volt battery. The 18-volt battery is very quiet. This is great for early morning applications. The 18-volt battery also holds a charge for about 16 backpacks, approximately 64 gallons. So it's a 4-gallon backpack. This battery really, just from our experience using this, we never have a worry that this battery is not going to hold a charge for us at any time. Very easy to install. Simply click it in, close the lid, and your battery is now connected. There are 2 attachments here for the hoses. We have a recirculating hose. It does recirculate and agitate product constantly. Beside the backpack, Arborjet does offer a 9-gallon spray rig that can be pulled around to be used with this tool. So if you find you need more than 4 gallons, you could easily go to the 9-gallon sprayer and move it around easily with you. The device itself is about 11 pounds, very easy to carry. The handle is installed directly on the piece of equipment, and we easily carry it around on the property with us. It delivers a precise and measurable, repeatable dose. For plant healthcare, that is crucial for our growth regulators and many of the things, because we always abide by label recommended rates. But when it comes to growth regulators, we want to deliver the same dose every time, so we're not over-regulating our trees. The way we do this will deliver 10 mil to 300 milliliters, and we can adjust very easily. We simply unscrew it, move it to whatever dosage we're looking for, turn it slightly, screw it back in, and we are good to go. On the back side, this is our fill and deliver lever. So we fill, move it to the center to stop, move it to the other side to deliver the product. Then all you easily need to do is move the lever again, and as it's filling, you can walk to your next injection site. It's just that easy. If we choose not to use the injection tool, we do have options. This can now be changed to a foliar spray. The foliar spray will deliver up to about 20 feet small ornamental trees, should you need it. You could do bark sprays with this backpack. You can also do soil drenches. It comes with 3 nozzles, assorted nozzles, a flat fan or an adjustable nozzle, and you can change it for whatever your needs may be. Everything is very easy to change. Here's the handle for the foliar spray. But you simply disconnect it here and connect your other wand. The best part about this is it's got a very low carbon footprint, very quiet. There is an adjustable pressure up to 100 PSI, or maybe possibly even a little over. But you have 5 different settings for your pressure. This is it. You're walking your properties. We're going to pretend this is a tree we want to take care of today. And we're simply doing this. Lever to fill, lever to inject, and we're moving on. And whatever your grid pattern needs to be around the tree, we're easily accomplishing this and quickly. So your productivity and profitability can certainly go up using a tool like this as well. You know, this is a very innovative tool, especially if you're looking to get into plant healthcare. This is a great way to start. Beside the quick jet air that Arborjet has, the growth regulators are really becoming more and more important. A lot of people are planting their trees in the wrong locations, planting them too close to homes, and a lot of times as professionals, we want to offer a solution. It's very adaptable. So whatever your needs may be for the day, maybe you have a couple foliar sprays, maybe you have a couple bark sprays. This allows us to give that growth regulator solution while providing the right dose every single time. We don't have to worry about calibrating the piece of equipment. There's nothing we need to do. We simply take it out of the box, put it together, and get moving.